Bitcoin didn't just appear out of nowhere. It was born out of the 2008 financial crisis, when trust in banks and governments was at an all-time low. In 2009, someone under the name Satoshi Nakamoto released the Bitcoin whitepaper. To this day, no one knows if Satoshi is one person, a group, or an alias. But their idea was groundbreaking: a decentralized, peer-to-peer currency with no middlemen. Bitcoin was designed to solve two problems: double spending, making sure the same digital coin couldn't be spent twice; trust, eliminating the need for banks to verify transactions. Instead, Bitcoin uses blockchain, a network of users that verifies transactions openly and securely. The mystery of Satoshi is part of Bitcoin's appeal. They mined the first Bitcoin block, called the Genesis block, then disappeared in 2011, leaving behind a technology that would change money forever. So, whether Satoshi was one genius coder or a group of visionaries, their invention started a revolution that continues today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Innovative Economy.